Hey everyone! Welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke and a big follower shout out. Let's get started!
Singable Words!
The word is
extraordinary.
Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Extraordinary is very unusual and remarkable. The synonyms are exceptional and amazing, but not mediocre or average.
But wait, here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Amazing, incredible, phenomenal.
Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Average, plain, common.
Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the pencil always think it was extraordinary? Because it always had a point to make. Now, let's use it in a sentence.
The scientists made an extraordinary discovery that could change the future of medicine.
Now, let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
I like Singable Words because it's really fun, and even if it's 4th grade words and it's a little hard to understand, she puts some Disney clips and it helps me a lot.